What is up, YouTube world? This is Chance with CO Dirt Rippers. If you're new here, well, cut. What? No. This
YouTube
guy.
world.
This guy.
What the fuck?
This guy.
You gotta be like, what's up, y'all? Freaking CO Dirt Rippers here. We got Chance. We got Jeffy Boy. We're road tripping. Where are we going?
We don't know.
Mystery. But we'll freaking update you when we freaking get to the destination. But other than that, let's get it.
The nitty gritty. The nitty gritty.
The nitty gritty. As old outlaw would say.
Good stuff right there. The good stuff. You're gonna get, Jeffy boy.
Some good old cheese Ritz and some Red Bull.
Dang, bud. No man's land. Yeah. Shit.
Get you one of these bad boys. Get you one of these bad boys.
Ooh.
Gotta get you one of these.
I think I'm gonna go with the old school monster.
Another one?
I'll get a tiny one this time. Red Bull size.
I didn't even know they made those smaller ones. I thought they only have the big ones.
That's dope. Yeah, 12 full ounce. Oh, and the old Aguas. Shoot, bud. Shoot. Awesome. Some Poppy Tarts.
Dude, these things slap. You've never had them.
What?
These Ritz Thins. Talk about a salty chip. You like them salty.
Like I'm salty. Alright, well, me and Jeffy boy, we finally made our destination. We're here at Bill's Motorcycle Plus in Salem. So if you're looking to get a new kit, come down here. He'll hook you up on a good bike and you'll absolutely love it. So this is not the 125 that I took here to get fixed. Oh, yes! I actually upgraded. I went 2022 TC 252 smoker, bud. Yeah.
She's a pretty bike. Oh,
So,
you gotta get up there and show them how many hours it has on it.
Oh yeah. Check this out. This is pretty cool. So normally they kind of run them, you know, sometimes, but look at this. Fresh on the zeros, bud.
Yep.
Fresh.
Gonna get a break in the old bike himself.
Yeah, I am so stoked on this thing.
Yeah, I came with this cool ass stand already for the forks.
Oh yeah, show them that thing. I've never seen a stand like this. This thing's dope.
Yeah, support your forks. That's pretty sick.
Yeah.
Got some other goodies too with it.
Right?
Other
Yeah.
than the seat, he's already bitching about the seat.
I am not.
What the heck?
Husky, you guys, like, you guys did great on this bike, but the seat, garbage, dude. It's like a skating rink up there for your ass. I mean, it is not good.
Look at that thing. You can even see the shine on it. Throw some wax on there. Ooh.
Oh, I gotta throw on that other air cover. It's got holes in it, help it breathe better.
Oh, there you go, yeah.
Yes, sir. But
everything. No dents yet in the old pipe.
Yet.
That'd be sick.
Well, what's for the old grub, bud?
Dude, I'm thinking about good old B-dubs.
B-dubs.
Last time I ate B-dubs was my buddy out over there in Gillette, Wyoming when I went over there, so.
Gillette, Wyoming?
Yeah.
Do they
That's
sell
the first
gelato there?
I don't know, maybe. But that's the first time I ever had it. Other than I knew we had them up here.
Yeah.
But no, go over there, have lunch, have a drink or two, and then go on down the road to the old boat place.
Sounds like a good time to me.
Gotta mix it up good.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Get it, boy.
Perfect, man.
What are you drinking there, bud?
Oh, you know, just some root beer on the rocks with a splash of penny. 10 Nah.
The bike came with the vented number plate. Just get under there real nice. Oh shit. Come on, baby. There we go. So let's bump that up to about 120, 121. 120 on the dot. The nice thing about having a bike with the air pump is you get to use the air pump on your tires too. So look how much air pressure they had in this sucker. All right, just got out here to Buckhorn. Got some fresh gas. Yeah, put that sweet nectar, that oil 2-stroke premix in there. Yeah, just... riding a little bit, kind of adjusting the bike to my preference, my little style of riding, getting comfortable. Man, what a difference compared to that 125 though. Like the power is more throughout, way more of a mid to bottom hit. Mick loving it, man. It is awesome. Way better than that 125. Dang. Well, ain't that the pits, bud?